Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. So, did you guys manage to book a driving test? If so, how did it go? How long did you wait? Did you have to go in the queue? And what was your position in the queue? Let me know. Tell me about your experiences. A few of you have already left a comment in my previous videos. So, if any new people want to talk about your experience about booking a driving test, one of my students actually messaged me 8 in the morning. Let me get my messages out. So she said to me, let me find it. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while I'm looking for the messages. Here we go. Tuesday, 1st of September, 8:05. Hi, currently number 12131. So 12,131. Okay. So then about 9:28 in the morning, I'm 886. That's not bad. I said to it in reply. 9:33 in the morning, I'm 326. So now I'm thinking that she's gonna get the driving test, and she's asking me which day should I go for. I said to her, book her whichever dates that you can find, cause I want to know exactly what dates you're gonna be given. Okay, and then 9:39, so 6 minutes later, there's no dates available for any local centers. So after all that waiting period from 8 o'clock to about 9:39, no test centers available for any local test days. Anyway, let's go through the email that was sent by DVSA, 1st of September, 2:04 p.m. So, driving test booking system closed. We have closed the driving test booking service as fewer than 5%, here we go, of candidates are able to successfully book a driving test slot after queuing on the system. So, get that, guys. Fewer than 5% managed to get a test booked. The limited number of test slots that are left after 1:30 p.m. today will be added to the available slots next Monday. Let's go through what that means. Okay, test availability. We will reopen the booking system on Monday the 7th, another key date to remember of September for tests for the following 6 weeks. But test availability will still be limited, so not everyone will be able to book a test yet. The current queue system will remain in place. So unfortunately, I know some of you guys don't like it, but it's going to remain in place when we reopen the system on the 7th of September to help manage the booking. More test appointments. Okay, we're working hard to add more tests to the system for people to book. From 14th of September, we are extending the period in which tests can be rebooked to 18 weeks ahead, which we've already covered. This will allow us to add 375,000 more tests. Yes, we know about that. The main thing that we can gather from this email, which is extremely important, and that is fewer than 5%. So 95% of people across UK were unable to book a driving test. So you're not alone in the same struggles, the same difficulties, the same waiting period. Fewer than 5% were able to get a test booked. So don't be disappointed. Keep your head up. Stay positive and hopefully try again on Monday. Maybe you might be the lucky 5% that can get through and get a driving test booked. On that note, I'd like to play some motivational music, but obviously we're about to finish the video. So please, if you don't mind, like, share, and subscribe. Click the button for all the latest videos. Do watch our other videos about how to drive, how to pass your driving test from me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. Thank you again.